Guys, please confirm to me all of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Yeah, guys, all of you please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right? Yeah, practicing. It's a demo class. Yeah, it's only demo class for new members, right? Guys, those who are attending in online, just I'm giving clarity. It's a demo class for new members. Okay. All right. Right. All right. Good afternoon, guys. And today, just I would like to give some basic awareness on Java programming language. What you are having Java, what is Java, then how many parts are existed in Java. Part of the introduction here, we are going to understand the complete awareness on this very fundamentals. So that part here today I'm going to discuss with you. Now try to recognize this. Okay, fine. All right, sir. First of all, I would like to give clarity. First of all, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now understand it. Can you tell me Java is available in how many parts as per our awareness? Java is available in how many parts? If you observe this, as per the general awareness, Java is available in three parts. First one is core Java, second one is advanced Java, and third one is what there J to EE. Clear? In general, this is what exactly the classification in a Java programming language. Core Java, advanced Java, then what next one here? J to EE. Clear? All right, but before going to understand Java, we need to understand clearly, is this classification is the right classification? Is this only the classification provided by Sun Microsystems? What is this Sun Microsystems actually? Is a company who introduced Java programming language. In which way? Microsoft has introduced Windows operating system. In which way? Oracle Corporation has introduced Oracle database. Similarly, Java was introduced by Sun Microsystems, is a company. Okay. So, what Sun Microsystems has provided Java? Is it core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE? Is it right? If we come for this point, it's totally a wrong classification. It's totally a wrong classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is not provided by Java. This is totally wrong classification. Okay, nice. If it is wrong classification, what is the right classification in Java? What exactly the right classification in Java? If you observe this, Java is available in three parts, no doubt for it. What are the three parts of Java? First one is J2SE or Java SE. First one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Second one is J2EE or we can say Java EE. J2EE or we can say what there? Java EE. Number three, J2ME or Java ME. Overall, these are the three parts we are having clearly. Tell me guys, what are the three parts of Java? First one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Second one is what there? J2EE or Java EE. Third one is what there? J2ME or Java ME. Clear. So the first one, core Java, advanced Java, J2EE, this is totally a wrong classification. Don't fall for it. It's totally different classification. Leave it, not required. So now onwards, we have to understand Java in the sense what there three parts. All right, sir. What exactly the purpose of this J2SE? Okay, three parts we understood clear. But what is the need of each and every part? What is the purpose of each and every part? What these parts are able to cover? What they are able to cover? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE is what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. Or nowadays maybe simply speaking, Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition or Java 2 Standard Edition. That's okay, fine. Then what it will cover? It's a basic. That means it's a standard version. It's okay. But what it will cover? All right. It will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming. It will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming language. It will not cover the total Java, complete Java. Simple point. If J2SE is able to provide the total Java, what is the need of J2EE and J2ME? Not required, right? So that's why what I'm telling there, J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming. Good. That's okay, fine. By using these fundamentals, what we are able to do? By using J2SE, we are able to cover only fundamentals of the Java. That's okay. But by using these fundamentals, what type of applications we are able to do? Is it possible to prepare any particular type of application? What type of applications can we are able to prepare by using this J2EE, J2SE? Yes, yes. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. We are able to prepare what their standalone applications. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Then immediately we are getting a question, what is this standalone application? What is the meaning of this standalone application? We need to understand this point also clearly. All right, I'm giving definition for it. Now try to understand this definition now. If we design and execute, any application, observe carefully, without using client server architecture. If we design and execute any application without using, not by using, without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone applications. That application is called as what? The standalone application. Please confirm to me, what is the point I've given there? What is the meaning of the standalone application? If it design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, multiple systems, multiple JVMs, multiple Java softwares, then that application is called as what? There standalone application. Without using client server architecture, in the sense, what's the meaning of it? No, preparing and executing Java application within a single computer. Not to have client server architecture, not to have more than one system, means that your complete application has to be provided within a single application, within a single computer. Let's say this. I want to prepare some representation. By that, you are able to get some clarity. All of you observe carefully. Now, this is a computer. This is a computer. within the single computer, within the single computer, I'm going to prepare this Java application. This is like what their Java application. This is Java application. Inside this Java application, we prepared some code. We prepared this entire code within a single computer. Observe carefully. This total program, I'm going to compile within the single computer. I'm going to execute this program in the same computer. If my program required any input to data, I'm going to provide that input to data within the same computer. My program will take input data in the same computer, process the data, and providing output to data within the same computer. Everything about my application is going on within the single computer. Even we don't have any internet connection. Even we don't have any internet connection, no network, nothing else, no client, no server, no request, no response, no nothing about this kind of environment. Single computer where we prepared program, compiled there, executed there, giving input there, executed there, providing output there. Everything is going on within a single device. This type of application is called as a standalone application. That's it. This is a simple point about the standalone application. That's okay, fine. So this is exactly the meaning of what their standalone application. And the standalone applications we are able to prepare by using J2SE. We are able to prepare standalone application by using what their J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. Got or not? Right, sir. Then after this, okay, I understood clearly what is the meaning of this standalone application. That's okay, fine. I understood this point here. Next point is like what I'm telling to you. After this, any example for standalone applications? Any example for standalone applications? Exactly. We are having number of examples. Say for example, this is my computer. Inside my computer, calendar is existed here now. Calendar in my system. Calculator in my system. Observe carefully. Calendar is like what they're able to display some dates and years, right? Calendar. That calendar application is running within a single device. It doesn't require internet connection. It doesn't require like what their client server architecture. In the same way, calculator. If I open calculator in my system, application is running there. Where I may provide some 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10, if I enter the data, if I click on equal, 20 is an output we are getting within a single computer. It doesn't require any internet connection. It doesn't require any client server architecture. Everything is going on within a single machine. Like this, not only that, some applications are running at present in my system. Like just now I open what their paintbrush. Next one is what their edit plus, what I'm using there at present. Now this editor is what their edit plus I'm using at present. Like this, all these applications are running in our single computer. Each and every application is like what there is a standalone application. Best examples we can understand: calendar, calculator, this kind of application. So many applications are available in my system, then it is called as what there standalone applications. Good, nice. In outside, how many applications are standalone applications? Right, in outside so many applications are available. Actually more and more number of applications are available. Out of all these applications, how many applications are standalone applications? If you observe this point, listen carefully. 5% of the applications are standalone applications only. How many applications are standalone applications? There no 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. Remaining 95% of the applications are not standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what? Standalone applications. Clear? Then immediately you may get one question. Standalone applications are only 5%. So job requirements or job opportunities definitely only 5%. So now today I'm learning Java is because of 5% of the job requirements. You may have this type of question. Only because of 5% of opportunities only, I'm trying to learn Java now. Is it right? Right. I'll give some clarity. Observe carefully. Now I'm talking about only core Java. I'm talking about only what is J2SE. It's a foundation for Java. So I'm giving clarity to you. Understand it clearly. It's a direct utilization. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, no doubt. But its a dependency level. Its a dependency level is a 1000%. Its a dependency level is a 1000%. If you understand this point now, then you will understand what is the intention of the J2SE, how much it is important in the software industry that you are able to understand. It's a direct utilization by using core Java, by using J2SE. Of course, J2SE, you may call it as what there, core Java. Of course, we can call it, it's okay, fine. As per the previous terminology, we can say that. It's a direct utilization is only what there 5%. That means by using core Java, only 5% of the applications we are able to prepare. It's a direct utilization is 5%, but it's a dependency level is what there 1000%, not even 100%. How, sir? How can you say like this? I'm giving clarity now. Try to understand it clearly. It is a dependent programming language for the following tools and technologies. What are the various tools and technologies? It's a dependent programming language where it is going to be utilized. If you after this, if you want to understand J2EE applications development, if you want to use J2EE application development, means that what their enterprise applications, if you want to prepare, definitely what is required here? J2SE is required. Everybody understand my point here? If you want to prepare enterprise applications in Java, Java is available in three parts. If you want to study or if you want to know J2EE, if you want to learn J2EE, definitely what is required now? J2SE is required. It is a dependent programming language for the following tools and technologies. For the sake of the J2 technologies, definitely we require what there? J2SE. Point number one. Point number two, if you want to learn Selenium testing tool, Selenium tool, if you want to go with that, then definitely we require what there? J2SE. Why? Because that Selenium was designed on the top of what there? J2SE only. Testing tool, you know already, Selenium testing, right? It's going on, right? For that we required what there? J2SE. Next one is, it is required, it's a minimum tool for what there nowadays maybe Salesforce is one of the tool or maybe technology which is very good demanded technology and outside. For the sake of this Salesforce also we required what there, this is J2SE. Why? Because this product was designed on the top of what there, J2SE. If you want to work with the Salesforce, definitely we have to work, we must have knowledge on what there, J2SE. Not only that, if you want to learn some SAP tools, SAP related tools, if you want to learn there, like ABAP or maybe HR or something else, no, there definitely we required what there, some core Java, that means J2SE is required. Not only that, if you want to work with Android, if you want to work with Android, mobile application development, mobile platform, then definitely what is required here, core Java is required. Not only that, big data analysis, if you want to go for it, what there? Hadoop. There also we required what there? Core Java. Like this, we can take more and more, many more technologies and tools are available to prepare, like what there? To use Java directly as part of their implementations. So on the basis of this core Java, so many technologies and tools are depending. So many technologies and tools are designed on the top of this core Java. So, but if you want to work all these things, definitely we need to have awareness on like what there, what we required here. No, J2SE is required. J2SE is nothing but core Java only. Content is what there, core Java only. Now tell me, as it is a basic platform for these many technologies and tools. No, So definitely its a dependency level is what there 1000% or not. But its direct utilization is what there 5% only. But its a dependency level is what there 1000% or not. So because of that reason, this J2SC pod is getting very good demand in our content. Definitely, those who want to see your career on Java side, everybody must learn now. This is core Java. That means J2SE. Without having awareness on this J2SE, we are unable to do anything in the software industry. Nowadays, not only in the case of Java, not only for J2E application development, for the remaining tools also, we need core Java. Core Java is mandatory for every developer in a software industry at present. So, all of you are following or not? That's okay, fine. Maybe people are giving comparison with the Python in outside. Sir, already have Python knowledge, not required to learn Java. Of course, this is somewhat right. But the point what I'm telling now, not only myself here, but even in outside, that information is what there. If you are in Java, it is very simple to learn Python. If you have knowledge on Java, nothing is available in Python. Python is a subset of Java. If you know Java, nothing is there. Can I give one simple example for it? No, how Python is simple and how Java is a superset for Python. You know, simple. How can I say? If you know Java, Python is very simple. Simple examples I'm telling there. In the case of Java, how we are going to write program there? Int I is equal to and semicolon here we have written. This much of code we have to write. That we have to understand clearly. This is your Java background. But the same thing if you want to do in Python, what we have to do? Simple. I is equal to. Example I'm telling them. But here my point is what? If you know this is very simple. But if you know this and you want to migrate to this one in the sense, not possible. That means indirectly what I'm telling there, if you are in Java background, it's very simple to learn other technologies. If you are in Python and if you want to learn Java, not at all possible. Total confusion. So if any Java developer, if you are in Java development, you can learn anything, you can work with any technology, any tool. But you are in Python and if you want to come to other technologies, not possible. Another simple example, can I say no? Just general example I'm telling there. Before this Python, see Python is getting demand in the last 10 years of time. Maybe Python is getting demand last 10 years of time, but at present situation is again downfall. But what happened there, in especially in Amirpet or maybe in the training department and throughout the world in training, who are teaching Python? Do you have any awareness on it? Even still at present also, who are teaching this Python actually? In any institute, in any training institute, who are teaching Python? Do you know that? Only Java trainers are teaching Python. No separate trainer is available for Python. Though previously those who taught Java and they are teaching Python. What's the meaning of it? If Python is completely a different and it's somewhat difficult when compared with Java, no Java trainer will teach that Python. But 99% of the situation, Java trainers, those who worked with Java, they are teaching this Python at present. So don't go for any comparison between Java and Python. Still, if you require some comparison there, I will provide very good comparisons between Java and Python. No need to worry for it. I had very good awareness on this Python. Previously, I took Python class also. I taught Python classes previously. I think in YouTube my videos are available on Python also. Introduction class are available. Just there I given clear-cut comparison between Java and Python. C, C++, Java, Python. Clear-cut comparisons are given there. If you understand that, easily we can understand where stuff is available and where easiness is available here now. Okay, leave it, not required anyway. Fine, sir. Then totally the point is what there. It's a dependent programming language for the technologies and tools like what there. J2EE, Selenium, Salesforce, SAP tools, Android and Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. Everywhere. Core Java is required, J2SE is required. Let's come for our point here. Now tell me guys, all of you know, Java is available in how many parts now? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts of the Java? J2SE, J2EE, and what next one? J2ME. Right, sir. J2SE, if you observe this, what is the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition or Java Standard Edition. What it will provide actually? It's able to provide only fundamentals of the Java, right? By using these fundamentals, what type of application we are able to prepare? Only standalone applications. Tell me, what is this standalone application? No, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone application. What are the examples for the standalone applications? No, calendar, calculator, paint, edit plus, and so on. How many applications are standalone applications in outside? Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. All right, sir. Its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. No. All right, sir. It is a dependent programming language for the following tools and technologies. What are the various tools? No, J2EE or maybe Selenium, Salesforce, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So many things are existed now. This is somewhat information about what the J2SE. All right, sir. Then if you want to know about the total content which is there inside the J2SE, at the end of the class, I'll give list of topics. In core Java, what I'm going to discuss, what we are going to discuss there, I'll give the list of topics to you. By that, you are able to get some clarity. Right, clear? Now understand it. Now the second one is like what there? J2EE or Java EE. The second part is what there? J2EE or Java EE. Right. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you now. First of all, tell me what is the abbreviation for it? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition or Java Enterprise Edition. This is abbreviation for J2EE. Right. J2SE is able to provide only fundamentals of the Java. J2SE has provided only what the fundamentals of the Java. But it will provide, J2EE will provide server-side programming. Tell me guys, what it is providing there? No, server-side programming. Server-side programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we have prepared standalone applications. By using J2SE, we prepared what? Standalone applications. But by using J2EE, J2EE, we are able to prepare distributed applications. We are able to prepare what there? Distributed applications or other name. I'm telling there enterprise applications. By using J2EE, we are able to prepare distributed applications or what? Enterprise applications. Right or not? Then immediately we are getting a question. What is this distributed application? What is the meaning of an enterprise application? People are having this question now. Can you tell me what is standalone application? What we understood there about standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as what there? A standalone application. Similarly, if we design and execute any application on the basis of, what is this actually? On the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions. By distributing application logic over multiple missions. All of you get my point or not? Or by distributing application logic over multiple missions. Then that application is called what their distributed application. The same distributed application is also be called as like what their enterprise application. That's it. This is what exactly the definition here we are getting as. Tell me what is the meaning of distributed application or an enterprise application? No, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Distributed application or enterprise application. Let's say I want to prepare the diagram here now. All of you observe carefully. Client server architecture. Here I have to provide. Am I right or not? What I have to provide there? Client server architecture. See this? This is one computer. This is another computer. Now here. Between these two computers, we are having some network. Network is existed. Now I want to say this is a client machine and this is server machine. Now this we can say network, right? In the client machine, I'm going to prepare my program. Now this program at a client machine, I want to say client application. This application is what there? Client application or simply client side application. Similarly, at server mission, we are going to prepare another application. At server mission, we are going to prepare another one. Now this is what there? Server side application or simply speaking server application or server side application. There also we are having some instructions, some lines of code is existed, some Java code here we are able to write. Fine. How it is going to be executed? When we execute both the programs at a time. First of all, we have to run server side program. Then after that, we have to run what their client side program. When we execute both the programs, no, client side program will submit request to the server side program through the network. Client side program will submit request to the server side program through the network. Network will carry that request to the server side program. Now here server side program will be executed. What it is going to be executed there? Server side program will be executed. But here we have to understand this is like what their request. Now this is also like what their request. For this client request, server side program will be executed. By the execution of this server side program, some response will be generated or not. By the execution of this server side program, some response will be generated or not. Now that response will be provided to the same network. Server side program is generating some response that will be submitted to the network. Now here network is able to carry that response to the client side program. Network will carry that response toward their client side program. Of course, how network is able to carry a request from client to server, a response from server to client in the sense depending on the IP address and port numbers of the server software or maybe client machine. On the basis of this IP address and port number only, it able to carry the data over the network. Now this is what we are getting there. No, this is like what their response. Now get this is what their response. Now all of you observe carefully. This entire application is designed on the top of client server architecture or not? This entire program is prepared on the top of client server architecture or not? Moreover, my application logic is distributed over client application and server application or not? Means that my application logic is distributed over more than one machine or not? More than one computer or not? So I can say this is what their distributed application. I can say, in other words, this is what their an enterprise application. This is the meaning of an enterprise application or distributed application. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then this application is called as what their client. That means enterprise application or distributed application. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? That's okay, fine. But what are the various examples for this enterprise application or distributed applications? What are the various examples for enterprise applications or distributed applications now? All right, sir. Next one is, if we observe these examples here, say, for example, I'm going to give clarity on it. All banking applications are enterprise applications. All banking applications are what they're enterprise applications. Am I right or not? All banking applications are what they're enterprise applications. Best example, for example, I have an account in ICICI. I want to transfer some amount of money from my account to my friend account. Observe carefully. So first of all, I have to open my browser. ICICIbank.com. Something else I have to type. Bank homepage will come. There I have to click on what there. Of course, credentials I have to provide. Username and password I have to provide. Then only we are able to open that bank account, right? There transfer funds option is available. I have to click on it. When I click on these transfer funds, there I have to provide what they my details, my friend bank details also I have to provide. Then after that I have to transfer the money. See, observe carefully. When I open my browser in my laptop, when I type www.icicibank.com, automatically a request will go to what their ICICI Bank server side application. It is sending some login page to me. There I have to enter online account credentials, username and password. Then after that, when I enter that, again, when I click on this login button, request will go to what their ICICI Bank server side application, where it will check whether these credentials are right or wrong. If they're right, that bank page will be open for me. Where when I click on transfer funds option there, again request will go to what their ICICI server side application. It is providing the transfer fund form. There I have to enter the data. When I complete all the formalities, when I click on submit button, automatically request will go to ICICI Bank server side application. ICICI Bank server side application will talk with the target bank. My friend is having account in HDFC, for example. Then ICICI server side application will talk with HDFC Bank application. This person wants to transfer some amount of money with an account which is there in your bank. If they're accepting that, the transformation will be performed. Transfer funds is going to be performed. Acknowledgement will come to the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is giving acknowledgement to me. Your funds transfer is success. Is it not on client server architecture? Is it not on our client server architecture? Is it not in a distributed environment? This is an example for what their enterprise applications. Answer my point clearly. Then after that, all social service network or social service applications are enterprise applications. Any examples, guys? Now tell me, social service applications or social network applications. What are these enterprise applications here? What we are able to say? Say, for example, Facebook. Facebook is existed. Try to understand it clearly. What is existed here? No, Facebook is existed here. What is this? Facebook is available here. All right, sir. Facebook. When I type www.facebook.com, then immediately what we are able to get know, then Facebook server side application is providing login page or not. Where I'm going to enter username and password. When I click on login button, again request will go to home, request will go to the Facebook server side application. It is providing my account page or not. There I may go for some different options. Maybe update the profile picture, or maybe go for some chatting there, or maybe go for what there. Anything, friends list, everything. Anything I can do. Similarly, gmail.com. There also be, it's going on client server architecture or not. When I type www.gmail.com, request will go to the Gmail server side application. It's giving login page. Again, I have to enter login details. When I click on login button, my Gmail homepage will come for me or not. There I can compose the content, or maybe I may go for the inboxes and all. Anything here I can do. All these are what their enterprise applications. Observe carefully. Then after that, all food delivery applications are enterprise applications. Am I right or not? Nowadays might be the frequently used applications nowadays, right? Food delivery applications. What are these food delivery applications? No, say for example, Zomato or maybe Swiggy, some like Uber Eats, maybe something else. If we take no, for example, I want to give some order for some food items. I want to give some order, so I might be open what there that Swiggy, for example. If I open it, then what will happen there? When I open that Swiggy, then it able to provide some menu, where might be I selected some menu. There I selected some food item. Then restaurant I selected there. Then finally I place that food item in an order. When I kept this food item in an order, then what will happen there? Request will go to the Swiggy server side application or not. Now that it will give intimation to the restaurant or not. Then it will track the delivery partner or not. Understand my point here? When that the information is submitted to the delivery partner, when delivery partner is accepting that, then he has to do the remaining work. He has to go to the restaurant, he has to wait there. When food is prepared there, he has to take that food and he has to deliver that food to the respective customer or not. This entire thing is going on client server architecture. This entire thing is going to be happen on what their client server architecture. Everybody understand my point clearly now? So all these are what their enterprise applications. Apart from this, after completion of this, all healthcare applications are enterprise applications. All healthcare applications are what their enterprise applications. Say for example, simple example. Recently I went for some hospital there because of my relatives' purpose. I went to the Apollo hospitals, for example. Understand it now? When I entered into the Apollo hospital, they have taken some formalities. What formalities they completed there? No, they have taken that patient details and as well as the guardian details who are coming along with that patients. No, then details they have taken. Then immediately they are given a path for the concerned doctor. We went to the doctor, we had some treatment. That's okay, finished. Everything is completed. We thought of it and we come back to home. But actually, what doctor has said to us, no, just I'm giving some prescription up to 10 days of time. Then in the 11th day, you have to come here and we have to show the status. Doctor has given this information. Then immediately, what I thought there, during this 10 days, Adam, it's going to be cured. The problem is going to be cleared. So if it is not solvable, then we want to go there again. But what happened there immediately, exactly the 10th day, we got a message from the Apollo. That is not our generated message. That is automatically generated message. It's a clear-cut template. They followed that. It is an automatically generated message we are getting. What's that message there? Your second dose of treatment is pending. Please come tomorrow. There is an appointment for you. These are the appointment details. Previously, you said to me, these timings are possible for us for appointment. Okay, we created one appointment just tomorrow at this particular time. As per your suggestion, come for this particular tomorrow. Come for this appointment. It's totally the tracing of see. If it is like only 5 patients or 10 patients, okay, we can send the message now. But for Apollo hospitals, how many number of patients are available at a time? In only Hyderabad center, might be how many patients are available? Not only in Hyderabad center, throughout India, how many patients know? Throughout the world, how many patients know? How to track all the patients' details? How to track all the doctors' details? How to track all the prescriptions details? Then everything must be under tracking or not? The total tracking must be done through an application or not? Through a software or not? So they are nothing but what their healthcare applications. That all the healthcare applications are going to be provided on the base of client server architecture only, on the base of like what their distributed applications only. So this also be an example for what their healthcare applications can. That's okay, fine. Next one is all the insurance applications. All the insurance applications are enterprise applications. Nowadays, maybe then insurance policies are available. People are going to might be attempting for what there some policies there in the insurance department. Maybe number of private insurance agencies are available. Bajaj Insurance or Tata Insurance, maybe so many insurance agencies are available. So if we apply for one insurance, one policy there, automatically they are going to track you definitely. And every month or maybe some time duration, they are going to collect money and everything about you is going to be provided there. There's also an enterprise application there. Like this, in every domain, in every vertical, in every platform, enterprise applications are available. In everywhere max, we are able to have what there? Enterprise applications. Because of this reason here, what's the point I'm telling there? You can understand clearly 95% of the applications are enterprise applications. Guys, all of you observe carefully. How many applications are enterprise applications? No, 95% of the applications are what they're enterprise applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? All right, sir. Now this is somewhat information about like what they're enterprise applications, what you are having clearly. Right. Now try to understand it. What we understood there. Java is available in how many parts, guys? Now tell me. 3 parts. What are the 3 parts of the Java? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE we understood already clearly. Now what is this J2EE? If you observe this, what is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What it will provide actually? It will provide only server-side programming. That's okay. By using J2EE or by using server-side programming, we are able to prepare which type of applications? No, distributed applications or enterprise applications that we are able to prepare. Nice. What is this distributed application or an enterprise application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application or enterprise application. Right, sir. Now here, these many examples are given there. Out of all the applications, 95% of the applications are what there? Enterprise applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Okay, fine. Let's understand this clearly. After this, the last one, third one is what there? J2ME or Java ME. Last one, all of you observe carefully. J2ME or Java ME. Tell me guys, what's the abbreviation for J2ME? What do you know about it? Java 2 Micro Edition, not Mobile Edition, or simply Java Micro Edition. Good. All of you now tell me. J2SE is providing only fundamentals of the Java. J2EE is providing server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME is providing, it is able to provide micro programming. It is able to provide what there? Micro programming, chip level programming, micro programming. Good. Now tell me guys, all of you know. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. Similarly, by using this micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications. Guys, now tell me what we are able to prepare now by using this J2ME mobile-based applications. Simply speaking, mobile applications. Mobile applications here we are able to prepare. What is standalone applications? What do you understood there? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is what there? Standalone application. What is an enterprise application or distributed application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what their distributed application or an enterprise application. Similarly, what is this mobile application actually? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, on the basis of mobile device hardware, if you design and execute any application, then that application is mobile based application. That application is what there? Mobile based application. Observe carefully. What are the various examples for these mobile based applications? No, number of examples are available. First of all, tell me how many applications are mobile based applications? No, standalone applications are only 5%. Enterprise applications are what there? 95%. But if you observe these mobile based applications, no, 100% of the applications are mobile based applications only. Mobile based applications only. Why? Because nowadays every domain is providing mobile based application support. Am I right or not? Say for example, Airtel is available. Airtel, that means my account is Airtel account. My SIM code is Airtel SIM code, for example. I want to pay the bills every month. Previously, I used to go for Airtel showroom or Airtel store to pay the bills. I need to stand in the queue. But now what happened there? No, my Airtel app is available, mobile app. If we download and install it in our system, automatically we can pay the bills and we can get slabs or we are able to get anything. That's okay, fine. That's one thing. Next one is, previously, if I want to open YouTube, I need to get my laptop where I have to open browser. There I have to type youtube.com. When I open that youtube.com, then YouTube content I'm able to see. But nowadays, what happened there? I can open that YouTube in my mobile phone or not. There is a separate app. YouTube app is available. Of course, the default app in our mobile phones. YouTube app is available. If we install that YouTube app in our system, if we touch that YouTube app, automatically YouTube will come to me. Previously might be, I want to open my Facebook account, Gmail account. What I have to do there? I have to go for my system. But nowadays, Gmail app is available. Facebook app is available. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? Or not leaving this? I want to give some order in Swiggy. Then what I have to do? I have to install that Swiggy app or not? Swiggy mobile application is available or not? From Play Store, we have to download and we have to install it. There automatically we are able to get the total Swiggy or not? Almost all 99% of the people are giving orders in Swiggy. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Yeah, guys, those who are in online, just it's like what there. Just power failure was happened here. It's okay, fine. Yeah, now the power was again it is coming now. It's okay. I'm continuing the point. Guys, are able to listen my voice? Guys, am I audible? Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Am I audible? Yeah, then I'm continuing the point here. Now try to understand it. Fine. Also, right, sir. Then mobile application development has very good demand, but J2ME is not having any demand. Why? Because due to the number of alternatives, due to the number of alternatives for mobile application development in the form of like what there Android, iPhone, right? iPhone, Swift, like this, different technologies are available for mobile application development. The moment when Android is coming to the picture, the total J2ME was fall down, totally down. So at present, nobody is learning J2ME. Even people are not aware J2ME is a part of the Java. Like this, the J2ME situation is existent now. So no need to understand that J2ME not required to even aware J2ME. Right, sir. Now these are overall concepts here we are able to understand like this. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity. Java is available in how many parts now? Three parts. J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Some brief information are given about all the content clearly. Okay, fine. This is basic awareness. After this, what I am telling to you, okay, fine. Technical, I've given some information there, but what exactly the support I'm able to provide for you regarding these courses? What courses are available at Durgasoft? And today I started these classes here. What we are going to discuss? All the point. Just 2 minutes of time. I want to discuss about our plan. What about our plan about these courses? No, try to understand it, all of you guys. If we join with my classes, what advantages here we are able to get? That's a question. Right, sir? Simple. All my classes, videos, recordings will be provided to everybody up to 1 year of support. Of course, it is an official boundary, 1 year of time, but more than 1 year of time, we are able to get max level. We are able to get. Every class is being recorded, and every class recorded videos will be provided to you through Google Drive access. Not for downloading, just Google Drive access. We are able to get. So this is an advantage, very good advantage to everybody. I think so. Only Durgasoft is providing this support for the students. No other institute is providing this type of support for both offline and as well as for what their online students. This video support we are providing. In the case if you are missing any class or maybe in the middle 10 days of time you want to leave from Hyderabad, you want to go outside. So there might be these videos recordings will be provided to you so that you can check the content here. Maybe in the next class you can prepare that and you can come for the next class. This is very good support. Next one is all my classes materials in the form of hard copy are chargeable for offline and both soft copy will be provided for everybody. For offline students, hard copy is available at office there. You can purchase it if you require that. Otherwise, soft copy will be provided for everybody. Videos we are going to provide through Google Drive access. There itself, I'm going to provide soft copy material. That is another point here, right? Free access to the classroom notes. Free access to what their classroom notes. That means even today's notes also I'm going to share to you. Maybe tomorrow I will give a link for you to take these notes. No? Tomorrow I will share that link to you. We can collect that link and you can daily you can watch the classroom notes. But advantage with my classes is what there. Every word I'm trying to type in my system. Whatever the explanation I'm giving there, everything I'm going to put in the notes. So that advantage we are able to get a clear-cut material we are able to get. PDF file I'm able to provide is a standard soft copy. Classroom notes also I'm able to share with you. I will give a link to you how to access that classroom notes every day. Every day. Then only one time if you access that link, no, automatically it will come there. Every day I'm going to type in the same location, automatically it will come to you now. Right, sir. Classroom applications, every application. See, this is programming language. Initially might be in core Java, theoretical concepts we have to talk. But once the programming is started there, in every concept, hands-on programs are going on continuously. In R&D work, kind of programs here we are going to do. Definitely programmatically, you are going to be very strong. Observe carefully. But my philosophy is what there. Getting job is nothing, sir. Then it's a matter of maybe 1 month or 2 months of time. If you sit properly, definitely will get a job. It's not at all matter. But only the point is what there, content wise you should be strong. Concepts wise we should be strong. If you're strong in content wise, you will get job. And not even that, at the end of the story you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. So that's my main intention, what I'm telling there. At the end of the course, your knowledge and my knowledge must be equal. You should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. That's my main focus, what I'm going to provide there. So more content, content-wise, no compromise. More and more content here I'm going to provide. Try to recognize this. At the end of the course, you are able to get course completion certificate. Definitely, we are able to get what there course completion certificate. And another thing is this is important. Of course, we are not conducting any job guarantee programs like this kind of things. No, I'm totally against for that. The point is what there, as per my context, I'm able to invite number of companies to come here to take campus recruitments. But this time is somewhat dry season, but companies are very less at present. No, but once 1 month is over or maybe 2 months is over, definitely companies will come and they will take students from Durgasoft platform. So here we are also be conducting some campus recruitment drives at Durgasoft platform. So many students already selected. You are also be having the same situation. But once if any company is coming, we don't have any concept like only this batch people are allowed, that batch people are allowed. No. Once company is coming there, I'll give open platform for everybody. Everybody is eligible in a Durgasoft to attend for the drive now. Then we can attend for it. They are able to get jobs there. Even Durgasoft platform also I'm able to provide this. But apart from this Durgasoft platform, my classes success rate is nearly 85%. For every 100 members, 85 members are able to get job, sure. With my content, even in outside, if you attend for interviews, no. In general, the situations are what there. Even without completing courses, people are getting jobs. Without completing courses, even people are getting jobs. So 85% success track, success rate about my classes there. For every 100 members, 85 members, damn sure they're able to get job. But 1 month before, 1 month later. But you should be serious on the concepts. So if you're not serious on the concept, just I want to come to the classes, I want to get job in the sense, no. With your 70% hard work, with my 30% classroom teaching, definitely you are able to get job. Again, I'm telling there, the total credit I will not take. The credit 75% you should take if you are getting job. Why? Because if you want to get job, my participation is what they're teaching Java, in which I'm teaching for everybody, in the same way I'm teaching to you. But from your side, you have to show 70% artwork. Then only people are going to get job. Otherwise, without having your artwork, with the manipulations or with the managing the interviews, if you are getting job, no, it's a temporary only. Within 3 to 4 months out, you might be fired from the company. But my philosophy is what their permanent solution. Once you complete courses at Durgasoft, in the next 20 to 25 years of time, you should not look back for the content here. That's one thing what I'm telling there. All right, sir. Concepts wise written tests we are conducting. I said to you, I want to make ready for written tests and interviews clearly. No, part of that I'm going to prepare what are their concepts wise written tests. Next one is what their mock interviews, but optional. Depending on the number of students, we are planning for what their mock interviews. Maybe I'm planning for this max, but optional I'm telling there. All right, sir. Now technical aspects like what there. In my classes, I'm going to work with multiple databases. In JDBs in Advanced Java, I need to use databases now. This two I'm going to use servers. These many servers we are going to use. We are going to use Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans for the sake of development process now. All right, Edit Plus is only startup programming only. Once once a hoops is started, they're everywhere. We are going to use what their ID is part only. Interview questions is okay. This is important. In general, in outside market, up to Java 8 version and Java 10 version, people are using there as of now. Maximum companies are still Java 8 version only. But do you know what is the latest version of the Java? At present, which version of Java is available? Do you have any awareness on it? No. Java 19th version is available at present. But market is not migrated to 19th version there. At present, market is available with what there? Java 8, Java 10 only. But in our classes, I'm going to talk up to what there? Java 19. Before completing your course, if Java 20th version is coming, by default, you can understand, I'm going to take like what there? Java 20th version also. If I take, for example, if Java 20th version is coming there before completing your course, definitely I will take session on what there? Java 20th version features also. up to the latest version. Which version it is available, that doesn't matter. Up to the latest version, we are able to have some discussion in our classes. Yes, guys, all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Next one is, these are the advantages here we are able to get. Now, try to recognize this point here, what I am telling to you. After this, today, what are the courses I started here? Observe carefully. Actually, Durgasoft is providing some packages. What packages are provided by Durgasoft? If you want to join for only core Java, yes, today is the first class, core Java. If you want to join for Java, basic Java package, where core Java, advanced Java, Oracle and basic UI, these things are available. Today we can understand core Java demo class. If you want to join for complete Java package, no, nearly 9 courses are available. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle and basic UI. Understand it, complete Java. But today is a core Java demo class. And if you join for, if you want to go with the full stack Java, this is trending nowadays market. Every company is looking for what their full stack Java developer. Every company is looking for what their full stack Java developer. There, nearly 14 to 15 courses are available. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle Basic UI, Angular or React, Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. These many things are existed here. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? So nowadays, everybody is looking for the what option there? No, full stack Java development. Right? It may take nearly seven months of time minimum. 7 to 8 months of time it will take minimum. Why? Because these many concepts here we have to cover, and every time, that means at a time we have to learn 3 to 4 courses there. But see, Oracle, Basic UI, Angular, these courses are independent courses, not dependent. But Java is what there, this total part is what there, Java. This Java is what there, dependent. After completion of some topics in core Java only, we are going to start advanced Java. After completion of some concepts in advanced Java, then we are going to start with what there, Hibernate, that frameworks we are going to start. Okay, I will take care about that Java, up to Java. In this overall full stack Java, my participation is what there, the total Java stream I'm going to take. The complete Java stream I'm going to take, right from core Java 2 up to web services. Half of the, almost a 60 to 70% of the full stack Java, I will take the responsibility. Non-Java technologies are available. This will be taken by some other trainers in outside. And outside in the sense, in Durgasoft might be some other trainers. Expert trainers will take these classes there. Every trainer at Durgasoft, they're having good experience. Minimum 12 to 15 years of experience they're having. They're able to teach all the content effectively. Right. Now my courses, that means core Java, advanced Java, up to web services, I will take the responsibility. But I will give some time slots for my courses. You have to assign the time slots effectively. They are fixed slots. Why? Because I'm totally morning to evening. I have number of batches. No, out of all these batches, two to three slots I will listen for the sake of your full stack Java. Then I'm going to talk about our content clearly. Right, sir. Got it or not? So these are the 4 batches what Durgasoft is offering actually with respect to the Java. Which one you require, then we can select that one. Understand it clearly. But other details, apart from this, other details, payment details or maybe something else. No, I'm not at all related for it. Just first of all, myself is a trainer for all of you. That money related discussion, I don't like it between us. Better to go for our office there, where office admin people are available. There we can talk about this kind of admission related things now. Technically, if you have any doubt, you can come to me, then I will clarify. But regarding this admission process and all, we can talk with our admin people there at our office. They are available. And please try to take this number, guys. With respect to my classes updations, about my classes updations, if you want to get know this number, in this number, my classes details are going to be provided. Understand my point here? Maybe if you want to get videos access, or if you want to get like what the notes is details, everything about my classes, only my classes information, if you want to get this number, we can reach out to this particular number. There our admin people maybe will give clarity on it. That number is exclusively for the sake of my classes. Also carefully. Right, sir. What number I've given? Now, please try to take that number. If you have any doubt about my classes there, our people will give more clarity. Right, sir. Good. All right, sir. Next one is definitely resume preparation training we are going to provide, and how to prepare for interviews. Definitely we are planning for it. We are going to take some, we are going to give some tips. First of all, before all these things, you should be strong in technical. First of all, we want to make you be strong in technical. After that, we will think about the interviews and all. Okay. First of all, you must be perfect in technology. After that, I'll plan for other things here. Other things are nothing once you are in technical mode. Understand it clearly. Right, guys? All of you are getting it now? And don't take this URL. I'll give separate URL and tomorrow for the sake of your classroom. This is for some other people there. No need to worry for it. Right, guys? So these are the details here we can understand. More than this, if you want to get moreover, I think might be you're expecting that syllabus content, right? So just immediately after completion of your class, I think, have you got any WhatsApp message there regarding this syllabus now? Or else maybe if you're not receiving that, immediately after completion of this class, you are able to get that syllabus, full stack Java, the total syllabus, nearly 60 pages PDF file will come to you. There we can check it, what exactly the contents I'm going to be covered. In core Java, what content I'm going to be covered. In advanced Java, what content I'm going to be covered. Everything is available. Have you got any message there? WhatsApp message? No? Maybe after the class, you are able to get this WhatsApp message where the total syllabus and everything we are able to get. Not only WhatsApp message, no. If you give your email IDs there, you are able to get a mail also. Mail also we are able to get there. There we can see my demo classes. Not only this today, one or two demo classes we are able to get. Apart from this, then what next one there? Apart from this, no details of these classes. Everything we are able to get. There also be syllabus sheet and everything we are able to get it here, right? Then after that, we are going to start our content here. That's okay, fine. And after completion of this, all of you understand this. One more small point here. Listen carefully. Just 2 minutes of time. I'll wind up this session now. So core Java, the content, roughly I'm giving some content here, but officially we are able to get a message where that everything is going to be available about this content syllabus. No, in core Java, what topics are available here? Introduction is available. Next one is what there? Steps to prepare first Java application is available. Third one is what there? Language fundamentals is existed. Fourth one is what there? Oops, object orientation. All right, and so on and so on and so on. Nearly 35th topic, almost all. Nearly 35th topic is what there? Java 19 version features. Java 19 version features that we are going to discuss. Now this is the total content here. Actually, our Java will start from what there? Oops onwards. But before these, only fundamental concepts only. Only what we are going to be covered here, fundamental concepts only. But these are required. These are the standard platform for us. All of you are getting it or not? Okay, fine. If you observe this introduction class, guys, if you observe this introduction part, all of you understand this. If you observe this introduction topic there, what I'm going to be covered, nearly 5 topics are available in introduction now. First one is what there? Java history. Second one is what there? Differences between Java and others. Others are what there? C and C++. Totally theory only. What I'm telling there? Why Java is coming? What is not available in C, C++? This kind of theoretical discussion only. All right. Then after that, third one is what there? Java features is the next topic. And the fourth one is like what there? Java naming conventions. And fifth one is like what there? Java programming format. They are the topics which are available in introduction. Clear or not? So tomorrow I want to start right from Java features topic. These two topics I will discuss with you again. They are totally theory, not at all mandatory, not at all important for us. Understand my point here? But I need to give that clarity also. But I will discuss the topics separately. Maybe on weekends or maybe at some other time. I'll plan for these concepts here. But tomorrow onwards, I'll go directly with what there Java features part. Java features topic is very, very important. Important in the sense we are going to understand something about Java. What we are having inside the Java, all the features I'm going to start. In introduction part, Java features onwards, we are going to start the remaining content. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Now introduction part. That means actual Java will start from what there? Oops. But in the introduction part, small, these two are nothing. Very, very small topics only. But from this point onwards, we are going to discuss about our content clearly. Got it or not? Right, sir. That's all, guys. That's all for today. Right. Tomorrow here we are going to understand the content here. Tomorrow we'll start directly further classes here. No further demos now. Then today is just demonstration I provided here. But tomorrow onwards, our original content I'm going to start. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you for attending demo. That's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow at 4:30. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Then Saurabh Ganguly. Then sorry, Subhash Ganguly. Yeah, then you'll get just I give in some number to you, right? Just have a call to this number. Maybe our details, our people will send immediately all the courses details to you at this number. Don't worry. Then in this number we are able to get. Timing is 4:30. 4:30. Then yeah, full stack Java I will give timings, guys. Don't worry. Then tomorrow I will talk about the timings and everything. No need to worry for it. Okay. Yeah, every discussion is going on with online students also for everybody. Right. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. And tomorrow I will spend some time, guys. I have another class immediately. Then tomorrow I will send some time for you. Then I'll clarify all of your doubts. Whatever the doubts you're having there, everything I'll discuss with you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow at 4:30 with the same link. With the same link, we'll see on tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.